The stud winder makes slinging wire a whole lot easier. The stud winder is a simple method to support a reel so electricians can easily pull wire to all areas of a floor from one central location. The reel spins freely while the wire is pulled in any direction. The stud winder is a fast load dispenser that holds 1,000-foot reels of wire, requires no tools or fasteners to install, and holds up to 130 pounds. The rounded brackets lock the stud winder to the stud. Use only a securely fastened wooden 2x4 stud. Position the stud winder around knee height. Remove the hitch pin. Slide a reel on. Replace the hitch pin and pull. You can stack 2 stud winders on a stud to pull different types of wire. Any reel or spool with an opening of 1 inch will fit. The patent-pending design provides drag on the reel as the wire dispenses. When you install 2 stud winders, you can set up a convenient workbench. Or use them as a pipe vise. However, it is not a makeshift step. If you use coils of wire instead of reels, the stud winder is compatible with our multi-core dispenser. You'll enjoy the same benefits as if you were pulling from a heavy factory reel. You can pull 12-2 and 12-3 wire at the same time. The stud winder is made of 100% steel, a solid commercial-grade product. It will make your job easier, faster, and safer. Stud winder is one of many spool tools by Angel Guard Products Incorporated. www.spooltools.com